Good morning, and today we have been setting up a new portable QuickSat satellite dish for Paul, but this one's interesting because it's going to Paul's Skybox. It's a Sky Q box which basically requires a satellite signal to work, can work with internet, but of course a simple solution is a satellite system. Now this particular product is a QS80. This has the, we call it the QS80 because it has the equivalent of a traditional 80 centimetre tin dish, but it only actually measures 47 centimetres. So setup is very, very simple. We firstly need to find the general direction of the satellite. We use the compass and the mat to do that. We move the mat until the red arrow on the compass is aligned to the red arrow on the mat. And now the blue arrow gives us the general direction of where to point this satellite system. So we need to set the angle of the dish to be the correct angle set. Now, this is an interesting way and a more accurate way to align or get the right angle for the satellite dish, because typically they are steel numbers in the fabrication of the dish. But of course, if the ground is not true, then neither is the elevation true. Using this little meter on the side gives us an exact measure of elevation that the dish needs to be set at. Once that's set, then we have the satellite finder. Moving the dish from left to right gives us confirmation of connection, and now we are connected to the satellite in the sky. Following the cables across here, we've additionally for Paul installed in a twin socket outside his van like so. So this makes it nice and easy and tidy for it then to be connected to Paul's Sky Q box inside the van. And now from a HDMI, we connect the Sky Q box to the Falcon 27-inch TV. So that's it, guys. Another job by Falcon, portable satellite, easy to set up, and Paul's now here to pick it all up. So thanks for the business, Paul.
No problem.
And
I'm absolutely staggered.
Good.
Just because most vans don't have a double feed, and this Q box needs a double. Straight in there. I don't know how he's managed to run the wires, and I've got a neat little box on the
Well,
side.
this is Simon. He's very good at what his job is,
Yeah.
but also you've had an experience with Andy, and Andy's a great member of our staff. He's been with us for 20 years.
Right, probably not.
And yeah, he comes out and he set it all up for
He's
you.
all set, yeah. So it's so straightforward.
Super.
It's going to be great.
Right, well, again, thank you very much for your business.
Pleasure.
Much appreciated.
Yeah.
And another happy customer with Falcon Technology. Bye for now.